Morning students, today our topic is put the sign. और put the sign topic करने के लिए we have to listen one story. So let's start it. This is a crocodile and it's very hungry crocodile, you know. He always eat more things. He never eat less because his tummy is too big. इसका tummy बहुत बड़ा है. So he will always eat more and more things and always fill his tummy. Okay, so what he does, and one day he was walking so long, and he was feeling so hungry, and he thought, now I should eat something. He searched here and there, but he could not find anything, and suddenly he saw fish, so many fish. He was so happy that I found so many fish, but he was confused. कि this side I have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish. But he saw this side also. Here is 1 fish. But he was thinking कि अगर मैं 1 fish खाऊंगा तो मुझे ये नहीं मिलेगी, तब तक के लिए ये तो चली जाएंगी. But he start thinking hard कि अब मैं क्या करूं. तो then he decided कि I will leave this fish. I will not eat this 1 fish. I will eat more fish. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा fish है, I will eat all these because when he will eat all the fish, तो उसका tummy क्या हो जाएगा? Full हो जाएगा and he will be happy. बट उसको फिश खाने के लिए ही हैज़ टू बी इन दिस हाउस. या तो उसको ये मिलेगी या तो उसको ये फिश मिलेगी. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू ईट दीज फिश. तो ये फिश खाने के लिए उसको अपना फेस किस साइड करना पड़ेगा? उसको अपना माउथ जो है, ये उसका माउथ है, ये उसको माउथ किस साइड करना पड़ेगा? दिस साइड. यस. And again, one day he was searching here and there. He was so hungry and he saw candies. He saw candies this side and he started counting it. 1. Only 1. He was so sad. There is only 1 candy. But this side he saw so many candies. Let's count how many are these. 1, 2, 3. So now can you tell me which are more? Which is greater in number? कौन सी कैंडी ज़्यादा है? These are more. So crocodile will not eat this one candy. He will eat these candies. The mouth will be this side because if he will eat all 3 candies, his tummy will be full and will be happy. Okay. Here is an orange. Here is also 1 orange. This side also 1 orange. Now the crocodile is confused कि मैं कौन सा orange खाऊं. तो he will start thinking and he will put equals to here. इसका मतलब होता है equal. Equal means दोनों साइड बराबर. This side also same and this side also same. And he will think to eat both. तो दोनों खा जाएगा वो. तो जब दोनों नंबर खा जाएगा तो आपने यहाँ पे क्या डालना है? Equals. Okay? Equals to. And these you can do with pictures also and numbers also. See, this side, which number is here? 3. And this side, 2. Let's count. 1, 2. And this side, 1, 2, and 3. Which is more? Which is greater number? Here is 3 is greater. So the crocodile will eat number 3. Okay? And this side, here is number 3. And here is number 9. And do you know which number is greater? Number 3 is greater or 9 is greater? Suppose I have 3 candies and you have 9 candies. Which is more? Which is greater? Number 9. So crocodile will not eat number 3. He will eat number 9. Okay. Now the next one is number 2. And this side also number 2. And think which one crocodile will eat. First he will count. 1, 2. 1, 2. He was thinking these both numbers are equal. So मैं किसको खाऊं? So he will eat both. For both equal numbers, we will put here equals to sign. Okay? Thank you.